everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EXO X7 Ranger GPS smart drone. Ages 14 and up. Remember that. Supposedly it has GPS return to home, foldable, point of interest, waypoints, you know the whole routine. Ultra 4K, multi-axis anti-shake gimbal, 50 times zooming, and optical flow positioning. And supposedly it has this switchable optical flow dual camera. So let's get it out of the box and take a look at it real quick. Now I will give it an A right off the bat for the packaging. Okay, it does come with a very nice bag, even though I'm not a big fan of bags. It does have a nice one. And I'm going to lose these straps because I really don't like to use these. So we'll just lose that. Okay, so here's the way I'll use it, and I'll just hold it with the handle right here. So that'll work for me. I'm going to guess this side is up. And there it is right there. Now this is just going to be a quick unboxing today because I'm going to take it out later on and fly it. I'm going somewhere, so I'm going to take it up and take it for a spin. There's the transmitter. Here's the quadcopter itself. Here's the manual. Manual looks good. Got some color diagrams in there. That's nice. And then the goodie box is in there, and then that's about it for the bag. So let's take a look at each one of these pieces individually real quick. Here's the transmitter. It has 4 AA batteries that go in here. And it has some sticks. And they're in here, I believe. That this transmitter feels extremely cheap. And these are just wedge fit. They're not screwed in like your Mavic Air or that type of stuff. Anyway, the way it pulls out like this, and then these open to slide the phone in to here, this is extremely cheap. Extremely cheap. This plastic, I'm going to try to get you a quick shot of this, a close-up, and you can see how cheap the mold and the plastic is on this. Now there is no wire inside of there. All you do is you see the hinge rocker right in there. You see all that? There's no wire, and that's just fake. These are just fake antennas. So you know that's a bad sign right off the bat. Right there. Giving you some close-ups of it. Yeah, it's extremely cheaply made. The rest of the transmitter doesn't feel bad. It's just this part here, the phone holder and the antenna, which, since they're fake, they shouldn't even put them on there, to be honest. Man, that's some really, wow. Okay, so, I mean, that's what these first impressions are for, right? Let's set that over there. Here's the quadcopter. And it's one of them folded. This reminds me of, I can't remember that one I split in half a couple of weeks ago. SJRCF11, that's what this reminds me of. hopefully it'll fly better than that thing. You know, I had probably one that wasn't that good because I never had any luck with that thing. Anyway, so here's the quadcopter itself. Now the quadcopter feels nice. It does have a nice feel to it, unlike the transmitter. Peel that off of there. And it has a little gimbal cover on here because it actually does have a gimbal. Remove the gimbal clamp. You have to squeeze on the sides and lift on the front at the same time. So you'll be able to see the gimbal here. So it does have a 2-axis gimbal. There it is going that way and that way. And it has a nice dampening system under there. Yeah, you can see it going up and down. There's where the micro SD card goes, right there. Excuse me. There's your QC stickers. There's your little Wi-Fi antenna. So you know that's another bad sign. Oh, there's how you get the battery out. You push down on this little tab right here. There's your battery. 7.4 2800. There's your on and off button right back there. Like I said, the drone has a nice feel to it, but the transmitter, not so much. Okay, to turn it on, you come down here. And you just hold that in. And you turn on the transmitter. And it's going to bind itself. It's not one of those, you know, you up and down thing. It just does it by itself. Now that's flashing, probably waiting for some kind of input. Okay, no, it's not. But this is probably going to be one of these ones where you have to do a compass calibration and all that right off the bat. But I'm not going to do that inside here because it doesn't do any good anyway. So we'll just wait till we get it outside to do that. Anyway, the app is called HFun Pro. There's the little icon for the app right there, HFun Pro. So you go into your settings. The Wi-Fi name right there is going to be XL Pro 4K. And there it is right there. The picture on the screen looks very clear. So that's a good sign. You can see that there. I'm holding the drone up there. Yeah, that screen, the picture looks very clear on the phone. So I'll give it that. There's where the box is. There's my coffee right there. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, that looks good. And then here's your app, and it has your basic stuff on here. This little lock here, this unlocks the motors. There's your rate, your photo, video, and then your return to home, your VR. If you wanted to use the VR, one of those VR headsets and drop the phone in there. And then up here, like, it looks like a circle mode or something like that. But some of that stuff is on the transmitter too. Right here. Here's your rates. Here's your return to home, photo, video. And then it has some buttons over here. I just haven't even messed with those yet. Right back there, you see there's 2 buttons here and 2 buttons here. I don't know what kind of function they perform. But then here's your heads-up display right here. Is your Wi-Fi signal, your GPS. Here's your mode. Here's your battery indicator and then your transmitter battery. And here's your height and distance right here. Okay, we want to let it to access the photos. Now I will say the website, when you get this thing, the website does have a lot of tutorial videos. It seems like they have pretty decent customer support, so I'll give it that. They have a lot of tutorial videos on their site, so it's not like you're gonna be left out in the cold if you can't figure something out, because they have loads of information, and they have like an online tech person. You know, that if you have a question, you can go to their website and type it in there. So I mean, it's, you know, they are supporting the product, so at least they're doing that. So you got to give them props for doing that. So, all right, guys, there you go. I'm gonna go out and fly it. Here's a little overview so you can see what it looks like. And then you see the gimbal move there when I tip the camera this way. See how it's faced all the way down, then comes all straight back up. So the gimbal actually works. It's actually a functioning gimbal. All right, there you go, guys. The EXO Ranger. Okay, have a nice day. Let's go fly.